Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to dimple a tie. This will be an easy and complete fashion tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this tie. I have a simple knot on the tie, and I have this dimple on the tie. The dimple is basically just an indent in the fabric towards the knot of the tie. It's really cool because it adds some flavor, it adds some depth to the tie, and it takes it from being a standard tie to something with some flavor, something with some effect on it, okay? And it separates you, it differentiates you from everyone else out there that's wearing a tie. That's a key factor. This dimple might be the thing that gets you the job. This dimple might be the thing that gets you whatever you're looking for. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna undo this knot. Okay, very simple. I'm gonna just tie up another knot really quickly, just a really sloppy knot. I'm gonna tell you how to dimple your tie. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna tie your knot. Very simple, whatever knot you want. This will work with any knot. That's the beauty of it. It will work with any knot, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and tie your knot, and there's gonna be a point in your knot when you're bringing the bottom of the tie through the loop right there, okay? And you're about to tighten that knot up. As you're tightening it, you wanna go slowly, and you wanna pinch. So you're gonna pinch the fabric, okay? Like this. You see, I'm pinching it together. I'm creating that dimple. As you're tightening it up, pinch that fabric, and you'll start to get your dimple, okay? Very important. You can even reach into the knot, pinch the fabric, and pull it down like that. Very simple and straightforward, okay? Do that, pinch it, and you get your dimple. Now, what you can also do instead of that is, let's say you already tie your knot. I'm gonna undo the dimple right there, okay? Let's say you already tie your knot. So once again, this is a very sloppy knot. Like I said, I wasn't exaggerating. I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit, just for the purposes of this video, okay? So let's say you've already tied your knot. You have your tie, you've tied your knot. You're like, oh, how do I dimple it now? Well, what you can do is you can take your fabric and you can pinch it now. So watch what I'm gonna do. The fabric is as is. I'm gonna take the fabric, okay? I'm pinching it underneath the knot, just like that. And I've now created the dimple, just like that. So even if your tie is already done, if you're one of those guys, if you're one of those people that leaves the tie done in the closet, okay? My dad, I love him with all my heart. All his ties have been tied since probably 1980, okay? He leaves them in the closet fully tied, all of them. So when it's time to put them on, you're good to go. Okay, and it works for him. But if he wanted to do this, let's say, you could just take your already tied tie with the knot in it already, and you can reach into it and dimple it just like that. You grab the fabric and pinch it, and you now create a dimple. And obviously, if you're going lower, like right now, my tie is pretty high up here, okay? But if you're going lower, what you can do is you're gonna get a bigger dimple. The more fabric that you have, the bigger the dimple you can get. If you're using like a skinny tie or a thin tie, it's gonna be hard for you to get a good dimple. You can get a small one like this, but you can't get a significant one. But if you're tying your tie where it's like at this point, look at that dimple, you can get something like that. It can look a lot better. It all depends on your style. But that's it. That is essentially how to dimple a tie. This has been an easy fashion tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.